So I just found an AI tool that's actually free, unlimited. No credits, no slow generations, no sign up tricks, no watermarks. Yeah, I said unlimited. If you're interested in seeing how this actually works and if it's legit, stay tuned because we're about to put it to the test. So I just discovered Vheer AI and I had to test this immediately because they're claiming something that sounds too good to be true. Unlimited text to image and image to video generation, completely free. No credit limits, no slow queues, no watermarks slapped on your content. And get this, no sketchy sign-up process where you're using burner emails and fake phone numbers. We're testing their text to image feature first, then jumping into the image to video tool. If you're tired of hitting credit limits or dealing with watermark content, stick around. Let's see if this actually delivers. All right, let's talk about why Vheer AI is absolutely crushing it right now. This free plan is seriously beginner-friendly, and I mean seriously. We're talking no watermarks slapped on your creations, zero credit card info needed, and unlimited generations as of right now. All you gotta do is sign in with your Google account or email, and boom, you're in the game. Here's what you get access to, completely free. Text to image for creating those perfect avatar faces, image to video, which is our bread and butter today, image to image for tweaking your creations, style transfer to switch up the vibes, a prompt generator that'll save your life, background remover, image to text converter, and honestly, a bunch more tools that would normally cost you a monthly subscription somewhere else. Now, real talk, text to video and lip sync aren't available yet. But honestly, we don't even need them. We have plenty of free options for lip sync out there. Everything else is yours to experiment with. No credits to stress about, no limits holding you back. It's like they're practically begging you to get creative with this stuff. Okay, let's jump in and get our hands dirty. Today, we're diving deep into their text to image and image to video features. And I'm going to show you exactly what this tool can do by creating 4 completely different avatar styles. We're talking realistic, 3D Pixar vibes, digital airbrush perfection, and some anime magic. Trust me, by the end of this, you'll know exactly which style fits your brand. So after you log in with your Google account, super simple, takes like 2 seconds, you're going to click on AI text to image and then hit generate image from text. Now heads up, Vheer's got to pay the bills somehow, right? Since we're using their unlimited free plan, you'll get some ad pop-ups. It's totally worth it though. Just close them and keep moving. On this page, you've got your prompt box where the magic happens. With the free version, you got to keep the model as is, no switching around. But honestly, the default works great. You've got all your basic aspect ratios that you'd expect, and there's your generate button. Plus, they've got instructions listed below if you need help, but I promise this is easy. All right, I'm dropping you my first prompt now. These aren't going to be fancy, over-engineered prompts. I really want to throw some basic info at it and see what we get back. Not really following my prompt formula, but if you are interested, that video will be linked down below. First up, I'm going for that realistic style. Here's what I'm putting in. Realistic style, African-American woman. Purpose, professional, and relatable. Look, warm brown skin tone, natural hair and soft curls or locks, minimal makeup. Outfit, classy blouse or casual chic sweater. Background, soft blurred office or living room scene. Setting the ratio to 16:9 for YouTube and hitting generate. Now, I'm not going to speed this up because I want you to see how fast this actually is. Guys, I swear this is faster than ChatGPT. It doesn't take long at all. If you've ever used the original DALL-E system, it's that fast. We're talking seconds, not minutes. Okay, she's super cute, so let's go ahead and save her. Just hit download and she's all yours. Okay, next up, let's see what happens when we go full 3D Pixar mode. I'm switching gears completely here with this prompt. 3D Pixar style African-American woman, Rich brown skin, long wavy hair, wearing a casual t-shirt and jeans, relaxed and chill vibe, standing in a sunny park with trees and soft grass, soft lighting, big expressive eyes, friendly smile, Pixar character design style. Same settings as before, keeping it simple, and let's hit generate to see what kind of magic this thing pulls off. I'm honestly curious to see how well it handles that Pixar aesthetic, because that's a pretty specific style to nail. Okay, that came out clean. I'm actually vibing with this one. She's definitely making it to the final cut. Let me go ahead and download this beauty. All right, time to get fancy with this one. I'm going for that digital airbrush glam vibe. Digital airbrush glam style, plus size African American woman, smooth airbrush skin, long flowing curly hair, glam makeup with subtle sparkle highlights, wearing a statement fashion outfit with a gold necklace, powerful CEO vibes, confident and elegant pose, standing in a luxury modern office, soft glow lighting, high-end professional atmosphere. Let's see what magic happens here. Real talk, when I first tested this system out, I was like, it's probably going to be mediocre at best. But these results have been genuinely impressive. What do you guys think so far? Are you seeing what I'm seeing here? I mean, it could just be me. I don't know. Okay. I see you, Miss CEO. Look at her. She said, I'm running the boardroom and looking flawless while doing it. We're definitely keeping this queen too. All right, this is our final style before we jump into the image to video goodness. Let's see how it handles anime vibes. Cartoon/anime inspired plus size African American woman with big expressive anime style eyes, vibrant burgundy or honey blonde hair, wearing a stylish casual outfit, dreamy pastel background with illustrated zine style vibes, playful yet chic energy, soft lighting, and a fun creative atmosphere. This one's going to be interesting. Anime style can be hit or miss with AI, so let's see if Vheer can deliver on those big expressive eyes and that dreamy aesthetic we're going for. Okay. I'm not usually an anime girl. That's not my typical vibe when I'm creating content, but she actually came out pretty cute. I'm surprised I'm feeling this one. We're definitely downloading her too. All right, now we're getting to the fun part. Let's head back to the top and click on Image to Video, then hit Generate Video from Image. This is where we bring these beauties to life. So you'll see the basic image prompt section here. Pretty straightforward setup. You've got your prompt box if you want to mess with the auto-generated stuff. And right below that, you'll find your camera prompts. You can play around with video format, frame rate, dimensions, all that good stuff. Just so you know, the video length maxes out at 5 seconds, but honestly, that's perfect for what we're doing. Time to upload our first picture. Once that's loaded up, here's a cool trick. Go back to that basic image prompt section and click that little blue light bulb icon. Watch this. It's going to scan your image and automatically fill in a prompt for you. Pretty slick, right? You can do the same thing with the camera prompts using that light bulb next to it, but we're going to keep it simple and leave everything as is for now. Let's hit generate and see what kind of magic happens when we bring our realistic avatar to life. Okay, guys, I did skip ahead through the generation, but I timed it and it took about 25 seconds. Not bad at all. That's giving me Pixverse type speed, and if you know what I'm talking about. All right, let's see what we got here. Not bad at all for a 5-second video. I knew she wasn't going to run a marathon or anything. All right, creators, let's get real about Vheer and cut through the noise. Look, I'm not one to sugarcoat things, but Vheer's text-to-image game is legitimately impressive. We're talking quality that rivals those premium tools charging you an arm and a leg. The free tier? It's not some watered-down teaser. You're getting the full experience to create avatars that'll make people do a double take. Now, if those pop-ups start cramping your style, and trust me, they might, you've got options. $9.99 monthly or $69.99 annually. For what you're getting, that's honestly a steal if you're planning to make this a regular part of your workflow. Here's where I keep it 100 with you, though. The image-to-video feature exists. It functions. But would I bet my content strategy on it? Not quite yet. Sure, you could get creative with those short clips. Toss them in your editor, duplicate and reverse to stretch to 10 seconds, rinse and repeat until you hit your target length, then bounce over to Pixverse for lip sync magic or another system. But honestly, that's a lot of hoops to jump through for what you get. Here's what actually makes sense. Use Vheer to craft those killer avatars, then slide over to another system to bring them to life. Now listen, Vheer just dropped recently, so I'm giving it room to breathe and evolve. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are game-changing AI tools. But that text-to-image capability, it's already secured its permanent place in my creator toolkit. No question. Here's the kicker though. As I'm recording this, Vheer's running that unlimited free plan we've been diving into. But let's be real, nothing good stays free forever in this space. If you're even slightly curious, now's the time to test drive it. If this breakdown helped you level up your game, smash that like button. Not subscribed yet? Come join the family. And drop a comment, which avatar style caught your eye? And have you tried Vheer, and do you plan on giving it a try? I genuinely want to know. Until next time, keep learning, creating, and reign the AI royal way.